Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a beautiful Simply Gilded unboxing video for you. I love this color, and the light is going to feel a little bit different because I'm filming a little in the afternoon, but that's okay. I actually kind of like this light. It feels very soft. As part of this package, I also got this, which I am not super sure what it is, a Juniper Series 1. It says, I read the back here, it says it is not a toy, it is an art collection. So let's just open this one up first to see what exactly it is. Okay, it comes in this little foil thing, and oh, it is like a little figurine. A little cute, adorable bunny figurine. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a series or something. Okay, so you can either get it in a pink dress or a yellow dress, and she is wearing this beautiful yellow dress. So, oh, look. I didn't even notice the feet. Simply Gilded 2020. Cute. Alright, so let's get into unboxing of this. I have honestly not sat down and filmed anything in a good few weeks, so I feel really rusty when it comes to filming, but I'm going to push on and see how I go. So, Paris in Spring, this is the, it doesn't actually say what month this is. Huh. Why doesn't it say what month this is? I feel really out of the loop because I haven't filmed for so long. I've been really bad with editing videos. I feel really out of the loop with everything right now. So I don't even know what month we're filming for, but there's no month on this. It's really weird. Let's just get on to the unboxing and see how we go. So we have this little pouch, and it's got a divider in the middle. It's you can usually use this for an evening bag if you really wanted to be honest. It's and it's got hooks on the side, so you could like put something on there. It's cute. Ugh, I can't button it back up. I'm like trying to push the button back in, but I don't know why I can't button it. That's so weird. Alright, moving right along. Then we have this little pouch here, which is something very small and delicate because I couldn't even really feel it from the outside. It's like a gold chain. This I might give to Violet because she loves rose gold more than anything, but she's also a gold person. So we've got this beautiful little bow, and it's a really stunning, simple necklace. I think definitely giving this to Violet. I think this is much more her thing. If this was silver, and I think I already have one actually that's silver, so we'll kind of be matching. So I'll just put that back in the pouch. I'm seeing her next weekend, although I'm not sure when this goes up, so it could have already been a weekend that passed, but we're going to do some chestnut picking. I'm really excited for that. It is autumn right now in Australia, so it's going to be perfect for that. I can't wait to like roast chestnuts, especially because our kitchen is pretty much done. I think there's a few other things left to do, but the kitchen is done, so we've been cooking in our brand new kitchen. I need to put all this on a vlog channel because I've been very slack on that, but anyway, sorry, I'm just like, I can't stop talking. So these are some stickers. I think they're vinyl stickers. Yeah, they feel like vinyl stickers. Maybe, I don't know. I probably wouldn't put money on this being vinyl, so I wouldn't say put it on a cup and then just see if it lasts. Maybe on a planner. These are really nice large stickers. And then we have the actual sticker kit, which I'll open. And I really love this theme. By the way, did I even mention that? I feel like I don't know if I mentioned that. It's got a really nice pastel, very calm sort of feel. This is what I imagined Paris to be like. I've been to Paris a couple times. I'm probably not the biggest fan of Paris because I don't really think this is an accurate representation of Paris, but I think in some lenses this is what Paris is like. So it's so cute. I don't know, when I see like little cafes in Paris, I'm like, oh, it's so nice, it looks so cute, but it is extremely overpriced. It is very expensive to like have. Well, at least in my experience, maybe I went to the wrong places. I stayed mostly near the Champs-Élysées. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And yeah, it was very expensive if you wanted like that pretty near the park sort of thing. Maybe if you're not so center of the city, it might be cheaper. And then we have some really gorgeous vellum. I really love this pattern, even though I guess like traditionally it might be seen as a bit of a more dated pattern, I quite like it. And this kind of represents this, right? They're very similar. Great, now we have the notebook. Where is my trusty blade to open it? There we go. So I opened them all because they're always different. And sometimes they're dotted, sometimes they're lined, sometimes they're blank. And this is lined. Yeah, with the big bow on the top. I think I would prefer not to have this so I could write all the way up, but it is really refreshing to have it change. I think if they were all dot grid, it just feels a little same, and it doesn't push your creativity, at least personally for me. I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite part, the washi tape. I love when I do the unboxings and it'll be like, these are the boxes for the month. I will set aside the washi tape that I get from all the different boxes, and those will be the washi tapes I exclusively use that month in all my planners. And I really love that it forces me to get out of my comfort zone and stop using like pastel pink washi strips and use something different. So this is the cardstock. We have the pen that comes with every single subscription box. Is that true? I think sometimes you get the Sakura jelly rolls, but I think you usually get them both. So this, and then we have these washi tapes, which I'm going to just quickly take the plastic off. I really wish I had a better transition between the plastic and this. I was thinking I could like bounce up or something, but then I just thought that was cheesy. So hey, if you guys can think of a better transition than just here it is without plastic, then that would be great. But I've got to say, I really love all these washi strips. They are right up my alley. You've got your bows. I love this, like, I don't know even what to call it. It's like a diamond pattern. This sage color is the one with the perforated edges. They go to 3.8 centimeters. How amazing is this? This is kind of like Paris in the evening, not even the evening, kind of that twilight time when it's like afternoon and evening. And then these ones are so pretty. They're not perforated. They're just standard lengths, I guess. Okay, sorry. The sun is like, it's not even the sun, it's the cloud. It's a very cloudy day, so the lighting is going to be really strong and then really soft and strong, and I just hope that my camera can adjust. But yes, you've got your silver gold bows, and then you've got the bike and the bows. So yeah, that is the washi tape, and that is everything in the Paris and Spring kit, which I have no idea. This is the March box. I guess we'll find out when I actually look at my old videos and I'll be able to actually write it in the title. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.